De kei en de scheep die hier waait je in de loon. Je weet ik rutbracht en je weet ik hard. Je plak op de graad, daar ik meer van houd. Je makkelijk vreuren, je voel ik een dief. Zij stil mijn hand en wat letter mijn wief. Ik haal alles wat ik habbel, ach wat ook nog meer. Je liefste leven, hoort te deel. Op hetzelfde loon, onder dezelfde zinnen, zullen die hoorn in hoorn de nije moon te meer te redden.
Rijgeld sneeuw af mijn zedere skin. Van wie stier het eigen liggen ons het been. Na lange dreigen dagen, dus kom uit het wereld. Maar je wordt ons gerouwen met de keer van hield. Je ben ik doe bellen, ik een tijn. Die alles wat handel, die leven en mij. En na al die jaren, ach ik al lang alles verzij. Oor bosken, oor rijden, eerste vergelijk. Op hetzelfde loon, onder dezelfde zinnen, zullen we hand in hand de nije moon te meer te rennen.
Dankjewel!
Dankjewel jongens!
Goedemiddag jullie oud! Wij ben de Griene Wâlden, Ierske en Friestalige vestjes hier van Jim van de Midje. Het volgende lied is van misschien sommigen willen bekend. Jong vooral mij met wollen, jongensje. Dit is Drunken Lullabies.
Steltje dronklappen.
Must have taken a life for hateful lies. Now to listen once again. 500 years in jail at night and Lord of us all to hell. To hell! Say your rest, but always cross me die. Forgotten freedom bar. At the shepherd lad, it lands astray to the bigot and the god.
Or must it take a life of hateful lies to glisten once again? 'Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, being drunken lullabies. Right, woo! Het ligt er ook uit.
I sit and laugh as a Rosie's eyes put a
Darker shade of red.
and I know it with this sniper lie in a bloody godless south. But once we start on drums from long ago, through bars these men may steal. Is it a great or little thing we've fought now? The conscience blast our kill.
Or must it take a life of hateful lies to glisten once again? 'Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, singing drunken lullabies.
Maybe it's the way we're taught. But maybe it's the way we're taught. But a smile never grins without tears to begin. For each kiss is a cry we all lost. so there's nothing left again.
And for the banshee
And stole the grave.
'cause we find ourselves in the same old mess. Being a girl of a mice. Give it up for the band, boy. Freedom!
I sit down, faceless past like memories seem to fade. And no color left, but black and white, and soon will all turn gray. But many shadows rise to walk again with lessons through the light. And may the flower blossom in each our heart has found a new found lane.
I must take a life for hateful eyes and listen once again. 'Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, singing broken lullabies. 'Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, singing broken lullabies. Singing broken lullabies. I should play. Dan gewoon jou deze keer maar in de meis, jongen. Dacht ik samen even. Dit volgende nummer is de Doarpsplein.
1, 2. I paid a lot for many years, and I spent all me money on whiskey and beer. And now I'm returning with golden great store,
And I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, they never.
hey,
No, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more.
I went to a house I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. Then I asked her for credits, she answered me nay. Such a custom like yours I can't have any day.
And it's no, they never. No, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. I then took from me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She says I have whiskies and wines of the best, and the words that you told me were only in jest. And it's no, they never. No, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover?
No, never.
No more.
I went home to my parents, confessed what I've done,
Mabel,
and I told them to pardon the prodigal son. And as they caressed me as old times before, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, they never. Ha, ha, ha.
no, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. Last time. And it's no, they never. No, they never
dat dragen wij op aan vrijheid. Want als wij het houden vrijheid, dan gaan wij door het prachtige Friese land, zwalkje door de Friese natuur. En het volgende festje, dat gaat erover. Dit is de Dieze, over het Boetenveld. Van de Dieze zijn deze op het veld. Als een trekken hoe de Griene hier, de brandstiet is stil. En als het over lusters, dan jaast het bloed van de schreeuw. Hier op het Boetenveld geen enkele rook.
Bolle pet, zwarte broek en moezenrit. Wie nog niet achterheen, door Justus die tiert. Wat ik hier in de mono die land vleer, in die tezen is altijd dichtbij. Is het krijgt toch waarom in de tijd weer, betiezen door die masker magie. In eigen die zal niet vergeten, wat mij het doe van het eerst in die zaak. Nog had ik dreig dat ik niet doe verlitten. Voor het mij als een uitstapperij. In het zal die tijd nu vergeten. Het raboeze dat ik duister mij hield. Die hadden sans zo die in zitten. In de biezen van het Boetenveld. Een lietse mansje van doe is nog rutte en oud. Maar nog altijd pensioen trouw dit stukje rood. Het leven draait door terug en alles had zijn tijd. Because het deze hoe het Boetenveld niet komt en weggeeft. Die komt en wegfjot.
Dankjewel, de Big Original.
Ja, beste mensen, dank u wel. Dat is wel een serieuze nummer. Maar het volgende nummer, dan blazen we er even lekker in, hè? Want dit heet The Irish Rover.
Mijn gitaar is een valse kroon, want ik heb mijn neerskeel.
Dat nemen ze charme, hè?
Smit er maar in.
Charme. Dat valt al wel wat aan. En leek hè, dat net, ja? Ik hè? On the 4th of July, 1806, we set sail from the sweet Gulf of Clark. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. It was a wonderful plan, she was rigged fore and aft, and oh how the wild wind blew over. She stood several blasts and took 27 masts, and they called her the Irish Rover. We had 1 million bags of the best Sligo rags. We had 2 million barrels of stone. We had 3 million bales of oat and goat's tails. We had 4 million barrels million dogs and 6 million hogs and 7 million barrels of porter. We had 8 million hides on a blind horse's hide in the old on the Irish Rover.
And there was old Mickey Coots who played hard on his lute when the ladies lined up for a son. He was tooting with skill, with his sparkling quadrille.
The dancers were flattered and pats. With his small witty talk, he was fond of the walk.
He rolled the dames under and over. They all knew at a glance when he duked out his stairs
Then he sailed with the Irish Rover. There was Barney McGee from the banks of the Lee. There was Hogan from County Tyrone. There was old Mickey Girk, who was scarred stiff of work, and a man from Westmeath called Malone. There was Swagger O'Toole, who was drunk as a rule, and fighting Bill Tracy from Dover. And young man named McCann from the banks of the Ban was a skipper on the Irish Rover. We had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out, and the ship lost its way in the fog. And then we, our crew, was reduced down to 2, just myself and the captain's old dog. The rock, oh Lord, what a shock. The bulkhead was turned right over.
It turned 9 times around.
So fuck,
And
the poor old dog was drowned.
Hey, toi,
And the last of the Irish Rover. Dank u wel, beste meisken. Volgende nummer. Maar even wisselen van instrumenten. Maar dat gaat door een oud stadje. Deze nummer heet Dirty Old Town. Smarre oud stad.
I met my love Zo komen we ook alweer aan het laatste stukje van uw zetten. Houd alvast tieren bij tieren. Wij zijn in de Griene Wâlden. We sluiten nog even mooi van je man. Dank al je van je komst. In het bijzonder Abe. Wat mooi dat dat bed, jongen. Tieren bij tieren. Geweldig.
De tierste lucht dat je voorgehouden. The Black Velvet Band.
In a neat little town they go Belfast. Apprentice of trade I was bound. And many an hour sweet happiness have I spent in this neat little town. A sad misfortune came over me as I tottered astray from the land, far away from my friends and relations, betrayed by the Black Velvet Band. Oh, together now! Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up in a black velvet band.
I took a stroll down Broadway, not meaning long for to stay. Then who should I meet but this pretty fair maid came tracing along the highway. She was both fair and handsome. Her neck it was just like a straw, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band.
I took a stroll with this pretty fair maid, and the gentleman passing us by, and I knew she had a doing of him by a look in her roguish black eye. A gold watch she took from his pocket, and she placed it right into my hand, and the very first thing that I said was, "Access to the Black Velvet Band."
Her eyes they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Before the judge and the jury, next morning I had to appear. While the judge he says to me, "Young man, your case it is proven quite clear. We'll give you 7 years penal servitude to be spent far away from the land, far away from your friends and relations." I was betrayed by the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders,
Tied up with a black velvet
band.
Dankjewel, hoor. Jullie Griene Wâlden, speciaal voor je.
Nou, nog één nummer voor je. Laatste nummer.
A hungry feeling came over me stealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal
easy and clean out your soul. And the old triangle. When jingle, jangle, all along the banks of the Royal Canal.
The larks were sleeping. Humpy Gussie was creeping as I lay there weeping for my girl Sal.
And the old triangle. When jingle, jangle, all along the banks of the Royal Canal.
Up in the female prison, there are 75 women. 'Tis among them that I wish I did dwell.
And the old triangle still goes jingle, jangle, all along the banks of the Royal Canal. All along the banks of the Royal Canal. Befrijingsfestival.
Nog een dag.
Dank u wel.
Tot ziens.
We ben de Griene Wâlden. Tot ziens.
Dankjewel,
See you all
dankjewel.
next time.
Denk om eigen.